Hello friends, God bless you and welcome on today's video for our monthly Kirf makeup collab. We are doing awareness to cancer. Awareness to cancer. And we pray today that those that are going through any type of cancer, that the grace of God and the mercy of God would bring you through. So in today's video, I am wearing purple for all types of cancer. And I thank you so much for stopping in. Now in today's video, I am going to show you the ladies from the Kirf collab and their makeup look for the month. The names and link will be in my description box. I thank Miss Michelle, who is the host from Age Grateful channel. Friends, I pray that you get tested and get those tests because it can help you through the grace of God. Friends, awareness through this, we have to take those tests. And it's so funny. I had to do my mammogram on today. And guess what? I don't like doing it. But thank God through the grace of God that it comes out well. But it is needed. Now on this look, friends, I'm just going to kind of play around with this just a little bit. And like I said, I'm doing this purple color and purple shadow. And unfortunately, in this room here, the lighting is not too good. So the finished look I'm going to do in my bathroom with the lighting is so much better. But I like to just do a smooth look. And I decided to just keep the scarf on this time because we know that a lot of people that are going through that chemo, it does so much to their body. But while they even going through, we pray for the strength of God that, they'll come through it. So many people have gotten miracles, gotten delivered, gotten healed from cancer. So as we encourage you, keep on fighting and do not give up.
갈피를 못 잡듯이 갈피를 못 잡듯이 또 지나가는 길 이 짧고 긴 시간 동안 주변 모습이 다 달라져 있어도 목적지는 항상 같아 Maybe you can't feel the pressure that I've been living on I can say that it's been on my mind But I'm moving along 스쳐 지나가는 불빛 속에 흩어져가는 사람들 사이에 다가오는 표정들 뒤에 Maybe one day it'll feel alright 사라진 것을 쫓아 가다 보면 어느새 아무렇지 않은 표정으로 한참을 걸었어. 열차에 갇힌 손잡이처럼 달아있는 저 의자들처럼 가끔 한참 동안 가만히 있을래. Maybe you can feel the pressure that I've been living on. I can say that it's been on my mind, but I'm moving along. 스쳐 지나가는 불빛 속에 흩어져가는 사람들 사이에 다가오는 표정들 뒤에 Maybe one day, maybe one day it'll feel alright. 스쳐 지나가는 불빛 속에 흩어져가는 사람들 사이에 다가오는 표정들 뒤에 Maybe one day, maybe one day it'll feel alright.
Friends, this is my finished look, and I did put on my black earrings. I hope that you got something inspirational out of this video, and just know, friends, get check, pray for others, and live the life that God has blessed you with. Thank you so much for stopping in. I thank all my friends that's a part of this collab, and I pray that you have a blessed, prosperous life in the Lord. Don't forget to like, comment, and please do subscribe. God bless you from Penny. Bye-bye.